Hey guys, this is JoeteckTips from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I have this Inateck external 2.5-inch toolless enclosure for mechanical or solid-state hard drives. This is actually pretty cool. I like it. It uses the micro USB-B cable, any typical external hard drive USB 3.0 cable that will work. It does come with the cable. I mean, if you order it that way, obviously. I will provide the link below to purchase this if you are interested. This is like really cool. So this is the enclosure. It's really nothing to it. And there is a locking mechanism on the back and an LED for access, so you know that it's being accessed. And then obviously the USB-B, micro USB-B connector. However, what's really cool, when it's unlocked, you just slide this thing like so, and out comes the drive. It's toolless. You do not need any tools. And there is the drive that is inside the case. This is a SanDisk 1 terabyte drive. I use it for movies and stuff when I want to watch stuff that I don't want to stream, and I want to just, you know, everybody's got their own purpose and use for it, and that's what I have it for. It does not require any external power. It uses USB power from the USB port for the drive. Doesn't make any noise. It's super quiet. This is also a great idea if you were looking to make a Kronos True Image rescue disk. You can make it bootable, and then you have yourself a external closure with the bootable drive. These things are really inexpensive. I mean, right? I'm looking at it right now. It's $11.99 on Amazon. Just under 12 bucks. And this is a great external 2.5-inch drive. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.